Welcome back, Freedom Savers. Today I'm doing the weekly M1 Finance taxable account update, and I've updated the yearly dividend income tab on my spreadsheet for this account as well. And I'm going to go over some of the top stories in the news on the stocks in the portfolio. So let's do this. All right, for the aggressive taxable account, as you know, I own 6 stocks in here. Yields for dividend yields ranging from anywhere above 6% to 12%. My current value is $255.81. 36 cents of that is cash. I've made one deposit of $25 holdings. You can see CVR Energy is my lowest, Ford is the second, and AT&T I'm down a little bit. B&G Foods is my highest according to this, but you can see how many shares I own. I own a little over 5 of Good, a little over 3 of Vector, which should be increasing as I put more money in, of course. 2.7 of Ford, just under 1 of B&G, AT&T, and CVR. Going over to my spreadsheet, you can see the current value is $255.81. I've only deposited $250, which gives me an increase of $5.81. As you can see, the last few days it's been dropping in value a little bit. I was up as much as almost $9, I think, and now I'm up $5.81. So that works for me. Dividends haven't changed. I've still earned and been paid 33 cents. The one thing about these dividends that's weird is if you look on the activity, it shows pending activity, dividend, and it shows that 33 cents. But it's already added that money in my account long ago. It actually paid me on the 12th. So what was that, 4 days ago? Long ago. 4 days ago was long ago. Long ago, back in the day of 4 days ago, I received 33 cents in dividends. Those were the good old days. To the exciting tab, which is the yearly dividend. Not too exciting on this portfolio in particular because it's a small portfolio and I'm not putting a lot of money into it right now. But I'm making $20.45 a year in dividends. This is all updated stats, by the way, which comes to $1.70 a month. So that's, decent. So the change, I've added some calculations down here for the change. For every update, I'll probably do every Friday as long as I have time. Otherwise, I will do it at minimum once a month to show how my yearly income is increasing as my portfolio increases. Last Wednesday, I was making $18.49 a year. I'm now making $20.45 a year. I only invested once, and I invested $25, and that increased my yearly income by $1.96. which gives me a 7.84% yield on cost. An extra $1.96 of income per year, I'm happy with that. My average yield on cost for this portfolio is 7.86%. My overall return is 8.18%. Go over some news, which I've already gone over in the Roth IRA one real quick. One thing I did miss on Ford, though, is that they're testing driverless delivery with Walmart. So Ford autonomous vehicles will be used to deliver groceries for Walmart. Their sales in China have dropped dramatically, and they've been in talks with Volkswagen for autonomous vehicle deals and that type of stuff. They're also testing their autonomous vehicles in Miami. Cigarette-wise, since I own 2 cigarette companies, I own Altria, which is like Marlboro brand type stuff, and I own Vector, which sells the cigarettes and buys real estate. In the cigarette industry, FDA is still trying to get rid of teen smoking, supposedly. I think it's probably more reason to jack taxes up, in my opinion, but whatever. They're making it harder to buy e-cigs. You can only buy it in places that supposedly check for IDs, which should already be in place. And they're trying to ban menthol cigarettes altogether. I don't understand the logic of that, but menthol sales are about 33% of all cigarette sales. We'll see what happens with that. That's all I got for news. So that's the portfolio update for the aggressive taxable account. It's definitely not as exciting as the Roth IRA right now because, of course, I've got 100 stocks in that one compared to 6 here, and I've got a lot more money in that one than I do here. But it's good to keep up on this and see how it's going and see if I can maintain that high dividend rate. That's the update. Hope you enjoyed. And that's all, folks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.